Yeah. Hi. What's your name?
Meera.
Meera, what do you do?
I am a student.
You are a student. Okay, मीरा. So मीरा, हम लोग ना यहाँ पे पॉलिटिकल व्यूज जान रहे हैं सब लोगों के, जो कि 4 जून को अभी रिजल्ट आया है, राइट? तो 4 जून को रिजल्ट आया, आपको आप यू आर अवेयर अबाउट दैट थिंग? ओके, तो उस रिजल्ट को लेकर के आप क्या सोचते हो?
I have no political opinion whatsoever for a YouTube channel actually because I think everyone's gonna have an opinion and I don't think any view is correct or incorrect. I just think that whatever government decides to do and whatever the democracy has decided to do, let's hope for the best.
Yeah, we are hoping for the best, but the result has come, right? And there are general perception, okay, that girls do not have a political views. So that's why we came out and we are just asking everybody that what's the view. So that's why I'm asking to you that अभी जो हुआ है, मोदी जी की जो सीटें आने चाहिए 400 पार नहीं आई है, वो 240 पे ही रुक चुके हैं एंड उनके पास में जो पिछले 10 साल से पूर्ण बहुमत थी वो नहीं है अब, तो राइट, तो यहाँ पे दैट्स वाई वी आर आस्किंग टू द पीपल कि अब उनकी पावर कम हुई है, आपको क्या लगता है, क्योंकि एनडीए के साथ में उनको काम करना है. सो
I think that people should check the GDP and the investments that have been taken away from India just because Modi did not get the power that he was supposed to get. Like 2,000 crores something investment was taken away from India just because Modi ji did not get the seats that he was supposed to get. So that just shows the level of power he has. I don't get to decide or I don't get to have an opinion about it. It's just very visible. So like if you feel that Modi ji, like if anybody feels that Modi ji did not get the power that he's supposed to, I think it's very visible. If he gets the amount of majority seats, he will pull back the investments because he has a really good international affairs. So I think that's all I would have to say, that you know, I don't have to talk about the power that he has, it's very visible. If a man has the capacity to pull away that amount of investment from India, he has the power to bring it back as well.
एंड नाउ अब एक चीज़ है कि अपोजिशन वापस से मजबूत हुआ है. पिछले 10 सालों से अपोजिशन वॉज नॉट दैट पर्टिकुलर स्ट्रॉन्ग राइट नाउ बिकॉज दे गॉट द सीट्स, सो अपोजिशन भी अब स्ट्रॉन्ग हुआ है. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट लाइक अपोजिशन और व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट राहुल?
Actually, the thing is that if people feel that Rahul Gandhi can do a lot of stuff, so people have made him a meme, but I think that that person also has a capability. He's not there in the politics just for the sake of being there. Obviously, his family has a history that people might not like, but then he is a political man and he obviously has a lot of policies to give, even if it not might be as good as the other like parties might have. And it's fine, like whatever he gives, like whatever opinions that he has and whatever actions that he takes in the future, let's hope for the best.
Right. The last thing कि एक अयोध्या की सीट है, अयोध्या में जो अभी मंदिर बना था, राइट, वो मंदिर बनने के बाद में बीजेपी ने उसका सब कुछ किया, बट नाउ वही सीट बीजेपी हार चुकी है. सो व्हाट डू यू से अबाउट इट? क्योंकि वो हिंदुत्व बीजेपी को जीतना चाहिए था, तो वो सबसे बड़ी सीट है जो बीजेपी हार चुकी है.
I mean, it's about the people who stay there. If they feel that Modi ji is not the right person, or if BJP candidate over there is not the right person to lead them, it's their choice to vote for them or not to vote for them.
Okay, thank you so much for talking to us. And one thing, just see on the camera and just say one thing. Please do subscribe.
Please subscribe
Journey and Perspective.
Journey and Perspective.
Right.
Yes.
कैमरे पे देख के
Okay, please do subscribe Journey and Perspective.
मैं तो सबको मारूंगा.
It's your choice, guys. It's a democratic country.
Thank you so much. अब मेरे चैनल को thank you so much for